So see, most AI tutorials on your internet think that you have the API keys, but it's not like that. उनको लगता है कि दैट यू हैव द एपीआई की और आप आपके प्रोजेक्ट में डाल के आप लाइक यूज कर लोगे एंड दे विल टीच यू फर्दर। बट एक्चुअल केस में बिगिनर्स के लिए वो एपीआई कीज कहाँ से ढूंढते हैं वही पता नहीं है। देन दे जस्ट वाइप कोड द थिंग्स एंड दे वांट टू इंटीग्रेट द एआई, बट ऐसा होता ही नहीं है एक्चुअल में। So I will teach you and I will tell you how to get this API keys just for free, and it's actually solved by Google that they distribute this key just for free, but it has some limitations. Kindly see it. So let's get started. So let's navigate to the official website of them, that is aistudio.google.com, and just in the dashboard, go to the left bottom, that is get API key, and click on the right corner, that is create on API key. Just select your project, give it a name, and just click on create key. That's how that's simple that you will get the API keys just for free according to your project. And you can include the project name and project number. If you want to create multiple keys, you can create it, and it's has some like users limits, so think about it. And it has some limited models to work on, and you can also try the all new models that is released by Gemini, that is Gemini 3 Flash, Gemini Pro, and all other, but you can't use in APIs. You have to pay the API credits or buy an ultra level plan to use that kind of things. So what do you think about this video? If you got to know about how to get these API keys and multiple more API keys and multiple other platforms, I am going to show you how to generate that API keys and use it to your free projects or the college or school projects. And more AI stuff's coming soon. So subscribe for more such videos and don't forget to like on this video.